Hi all. I picked up this screwdriver set from Amazon and I thought it would make a good video. Craftsman, 8 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 flathead and 4 Phillips. Large to small, large to small. A lifetime warranty. Let's see here. Part number 947136, 8-piece screwdriver set. So I looked all over just for a normal set of screwdrivers, and I finally found this one. That's why I thought it would make a good video. I'm sure some of the other sets are good too, but they come with all types of weird tools that I don't really need. Might come in handy once in a while, but I just wanted some basic screwdrivers. Let's see what we got here. Yeah. Yep, you could tell the owner of the company never had to take one out of the package, huh? They do it like that so people can't steal them in the stores. Makes it harder to steal. Okay, so let's check these out. Craftsman. That's nice. Short one, longer one, a little smaller. A real small one. Pocket one. Pocket screwdriver. Comes with a little pocket clip. Phillips doesn't have a pocket clip. These, you don't hammer these. You can buy more expensive ones. They come with steel tip here, and it's steel the whole way down, so you can hammer on them. Wouldn't really hammer on a screwdriver though if you don't have to, but they make them. Okay. Let's see. Handles are designed for high strength and chemical resistance. Alloy steel blades are heat treated. Advanced plating process. Serrated slotted blade tips provide excellent screw holding. Phillips blade tips are designed to provide tight tolerance and fit. Advanced plating process enhances corrosion resistance. I'll need that in my basement. Everything rusts down here. Handles are designed for high strength and chemical resistance. Fluted and contoured for secure grip and turning power. Alloy steel blades are heat treated for maximum strength and durability. Oh, made in China. Oh well. Sears Brand Management Corporation, but made in China. Okay. See ya. Bye. Okay, see ya. Bye.